My name is Rich Hergenroder, president of Unity Gardens. And what we do is get plants in the ground. We do that by making grants. Unity Gardens is a volunteer organization, folks with technical backgrounds, social backgrounds, all focused on the activity of helping you and helping the Chesapeake Bay region improve the quality of life here. So we've made nearly 700 grants, totaling $600,000 to communities, nonprofit communities, churches, schools, community associations, and HOAs, and our purpose is strictly to get those plants in the ground. We just awarded 16 projects this spring, and we'd like to award more later in our second go-round in August. Most of these projects are small projects started by people like you. Our grants range from several $100s to as high as $3,000. This year we're expanding to include meadows. Green Give is a group of environmental organizations just like Unity Gardens that want to empower you to make the Chesapeake Bay a better place to live. Please give on June 2nd to Green Give. Help us help you.